Activity 3. Checking dimensions and exporting as an STL file. After making your car design, it is important to check whether your design is suitable for manufacture. To do this, you need to check to see if the body of the car fits within the official F1 and schools block. You also need to save your parts in a format that the CNC router and 3D printers will recognize, STL format. Step 1. Check the dimensions of the F1 car design. Open the data panel and right-click F1 in Schools block. Now select Insert into Current Design. Close the data panel to give you more room, and click OK in the dialog box. You'll notice the block over here in the browser. If the file name is preceded by a linked chain, let's choose to break link. Now, let's change the opacity like we did in the earlier exercise. Double-click the block to allow you to select it and drag it to move. View it from different angles to check it fits within the block. Important, when checking fit, you must have the CO2 canister hole in the designed car and the hole in the model block perfectly aligned. Your car must fit within the block when rotated. Your car must fit within the block when the holes are aligned. Note, for this design, the wings do not have to fit within the block as they are being manufactured separately as 3D printed parts and not from the model block. You don't need the block in the window anymore. In the browser window, right-click F1 in Schools block and choose Delete. Step 2. Output the parts in STL format. The parts of the car need to be saved in STL format to make it suitable to be CNC machined and or 3D printed. In the browser window, open up the Bodies folder and click Body 8. The main car body should be selected. Right-click the Body 8 icon and select Save as STL. Click OK in the window that appears to keep the setting. Select a suitable name and location for your STL file on your computer. Do the same for the front and rear wings, which will be 3D printed.